Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile little powerhouse designed to tackle a variety of surfaces. If you're in the market for a lightweight, budget-friendly vacuum with the ability to handle carpets, hard floors, and upholstery, stay tuned. This one might just have what you're looking for. The Eureka WhirlWind NEN110A stands out with its innovative multi-surface cleaning capabilities. It offers an integrated airflow control right at your fingertips, allowing you to easily switch between carpet, upholstery, and hard floor settings. With a motor rated at 960 watts, it brings solid suction power to the table, handling everything from fine dust on hardwood to embedded dirt in carpet fibers. This vacuum is designed to be incredibly user-friendly, with a bagless setup that eliminates ongoing costs for bags and filters. Instead, it uses washable filters that you can rinse and reuse, practical and cost-effective for regular cleaning. The vacuum's lightweight design, tipping the scales at just 8.15 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs. Thanks to the swivel steering and telescoping metal wand, you can glide effortlessly through different spaces without straining your wrist or back. It's an ideal choice if you're someone who needs a vacuum that's both powerful and easy to handle. Another thoughtful feature is the 2.5-liter dust container. It offers a good balance of capacity without being too bulky or heavy. The bin empties with a single button release, so there's no fumbling around with complicated mechanisms. Just a quick and hygienic disposal. Plus, the Eureka WhirlWind includes a handy 2-in-1 integrated crevice tool, which doubles as a dusting brush. The tool is cleverly built right into the hose handle, so you won't have to worry about losing it, and it's super easy to switch between the two functions. Real-world testing reveals the WhirlWind as a surprisingly competent performer. When I took it through a variety of scenarios, sweeping up fine dust on hardwood floors, lifting pet hair from a rug, and tackling some upholstery, it consistently delivered solid results. On carpeted surfaces, it made quick work of everyday messes like crumbs and dirt. The suction power, while not as intense as some higher-end models, is more than sufficient for most households. It really shines when cleaning hard floors, offering excellent dust pickup without scattering debris around. However, when it comes to cleaning thick carpets, it may take a little more effort compared to premium models with more powerful suction. The swivel steering helps a lot with maneuverability, but when you're dealing with deeper carpets, you might notice a slight loss in suction power, especially on high-pile rugs. The 2.5-liter dust bin is convenient, but depending on how much cleaning you're doing, you might find yourself emptying it more frequently than you'd expect. Though that's true for most bagless designs. Noise-wise, it's relatively quiet considering its performance. It won't leave you scrambling for earplugs like some older models, but it's not entirely silent either. In terms of comfort, the telescoping wand and the integrated crevice tool make this vacuum really easy to use for extended periods, even in tricky spots like stairs or under low furniture. Plus, the automatic cord rewind is a time saver, wrapping up your 20-foot cord with a simple push of a button, no more tangled messes. When evaluating its pros and cons, it's clear that the Eureka WhirlWind is designed for easy, efficient cleaning, especially for homes with a mix of surfaces. Its lightweight nature, simple maintenance, and ability to switch between different cleaning modes make it a solid choice for a range of users. The crevice tool integration is a smart touch, and the bagless design is a real plus for anyone tired of purchasing replacement bags. On the downside, its suction may not match the performance of more expensive models, particularly for those with thick carpeting. Also, while it excels at basic cleaning, if you have particularly large areas or heavy-duty messes, you might need something more robust. In terms of value, the Eureka WhirlWind is positioned as an affordable option that doesn't skimp on essential features. For the price, you're getting a good balance of performance, convenience, and low maintenance. While there are certainly models with stronger suction or more advanced features, this vacuum is tough to beat for small to medium-sized homes, especially if you need something that's easy to use, light to carry, and doesn't require ongoing costs for bags or filters. When compared to some direct alternatives, like the Black & Decker 20-volt max cordless stick or the Shark Navigator lift-away, the WhirlWind holds its ground in terms of price-to-performance ratio. The suction power isn't as fierce as those more expensive models, but it offers better maneuverability and a lower upfront cost, making it a compelling choice for those on a budget or those with mostly hard floors. For heavier carpet cleaning, however, the Shark Navigator or similarly priced models might be better suited to more demanding tasks. Build quality is solid with durable plastics and metal components that ensure long-lasting performance. The overall design feels robust, but it's clear this is a more budget-conscious vacuum, so don't expect premium finishes or materials. Maintenance is a breeze. Washable filters are easy to clean, and the brush roll is simple to maintain, though you may want to give it a quick check for hair tangles after each use, especially if you have pets. There's no indication that the vacuum has any major reliability issues, and Eureka is generally known for solid performance at an affordable price. If you've ever interacted with Eureka's customer service, you know they're fairly responsive. I haven't had any issues with this model specifically, but Eureka's track record for after-sales service is generally positive, and they offer a decent warranty to back it up. In conclusion, the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable, cost-effective option for anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum that delivers solid cleaning power across a variety of surfaces. It excels in maneuverability and ease of maintenance, making it great for smaller homes, people with allergies, or anyone who just wants a no-fuss vacuum for regular cleaning. While it's not the strongest in the power department, it offers impressive value for its price. If you're looking for something simple yet effective, it's worth considering, especially for hard floors and light to medium carpet cleaning. Before I wrap up, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth review. If you're already a proud owner of the Eureka WhirlWind, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another review that's guaranteed to make your cleaning routine easier. Keep it clean, and goodbye till next time.